full cleaning and SSD upgrade on mini personal computer desktop. Thank you, Sir Jerome, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Opting for a full cleaning and SSD upgrade on a mini personal computer desktop is an excellent choice for enhancing both its performance and longevity. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate inside your desktop, leading to overheating, reduced airflow, and potentially damaging internal components. A full cleaning ensures that your system stays cool and efficient, preventing thermal throttling and reducing the risk of hardware failure due to overheating. This combination of deep cleaning and SSD upgrade is a practical, cost-effective way to keep your mini PC in top shape, ensuring it runs efficiently and remains capable of handling more demanding tasks for years to come. It's a smart move. Not only improves performance, but also extends the lifespan of your desktop. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the most care. Full cleaning and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your full cleaning and SSD upgrade on mini personal computer desktop too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.